So we're here today to demonstrate our side mic. It's called the SM1. And the side mic is unique in the fact that it's unidirectional, meaning our pool scopes, our pipe mics, will listen from a full circle around. But this one will listen to whatever it's in front of. And because of that, it makes it so much more sensitive. So what we're going to show you is how to use it. And it's mostly used for the wall you're working on in a pool. So when you're working on a wall in a pool, you're holding this down, and we're going to show you right now and demonstrate how we actually use it and handle it and how sensitive it is. So when we get over a light area, we're going to treat it like a clock. We're going to go around. But with this unidirectional, you're going to pick up those sounds from further away. We treat side suctions, and if we see, on this case, a capped off line, listen to it. Sometimes it might not be in tight, sometimes that might actually leak. Side suctions, again, remember, we're pointing right at it. So we're going to hear much more of a sensitivity. We're going to hear much louder of a leak by having the unidirectional listening and pointing at it. We're going to do that with returns. We're going to do that with side suctions. We're going to do that at everything. We're also going to do it at a skimmer throat. We're going to get over that skimmer throat and we're going to listen, because believe it or not, you might hear that skimmer seam if it's leaking when we do that from in front of it. Again, anything big and round like that we'll treat like a clock. If it's louder, any on the outside, it's usually going to be right there. If it's louder towards the center, it's either going to be a leak around the pipe stubbing through the wall, or it could be further back in the pipe, and that's when we'll use our pipe mic. But anything on the wall that's vertical, using the SM1 makes it simple because it's pointing literally right at you as the user while you're over it. And it has a 25-foot cable, so if you're standing on a raised wall, a rock wall, a waterfall, being able to just dangle it down and control it in front of what you're listening to is going to put you on it every time. So as we just demonstrated, by being able to listen to the wall that you're working with and having a unidirectional listening setup, we're able to hone in on those leaks with a lot more sensitivity. So for more information, check out our website and check out all of our equipment at www.leaktronics.com.